What we have here is our AUK spring clip. This is a 2.5 inch and this is ideal for fitting on the outside of a flexible hose. Pinch it together, springs up for a bigger diameter, open it down, and it's now well and truly gripped onto your router fence or whatever 2.5 inch fitting you need. This is a more traditional fitting with a screw head on or maybe a bolt head, but if you want to be moving it around on a regular basis, it can be quite a pain to be using. The spring clip is going to be so much quicker and easier if you're moving your extraction around. Our AUK spring clips are available either in a 2.5 inch or a 4 inch 100mm diameter. So brilliant if you're going to be moving your stuff around and just get them clipped on, job done.